Hey, random people out there on the internet. So if you watched that short video I did a little bit ago, you know I'm going to be deep cleaning my shop and refurbishing my benches a little bit, just trying to give them some new life. So in case anybody out there was wondering what my space is, let's take a look. This is my space. It is just about 9 feet from side to side and about 22 feet long. And I put all the tools I need in here, but you have to really pack it in. One of my most popular videos that I've done was It Pays to Have an Organized Shop, and you can see what I've done in the past to make that happen. So today it's time for a deep clean. We've got the floors cleaned up a little bit, and we'll be taking down everything off the walls after a while, cleaning behind the French cleats and things like that. But the next task is rejuvenating the bench, that the two benches I have. So here are my benches, and you can see that they've been sanded one time at a 100 grit, getting glue spots and things like that off of it. And then I'm going to come back with some 120 grit and go ahead and sand it down to where it's a little bit smoother than it is now, and reapply the lacquer that I used the first time. Let me get that just right over here. And what you see here is all the stuff that was in that 9 foot by 22 foot space. So you can see I pack a lot of stuff in there. You know, when I get done, we'll do another quick video and you'll see when I put all of this back in, how I have it arranged in such a way that I can get it all in there and still be able to walk around and access everything. I'll be using the same lacquer I had before, which is some Woodworker lacquer, and we'll be putting 2 or 3 coats of that nasty stuff on there. It's really humid in Texas today, so it's probably going to take 40 forevers for it to dry out. The easiest way I found to do this is to use like a 4-inch brush, spread it all out, let it dry, come back, hit it with some 120 grit paper to smooth it out, put on the next coat, and so on and so forth. That's going to be a long, drawn-out process, and I won't bore you with that. But the next thing I got to do, and I recommend this to anybody that's doing this kind of lacquer or anything like that, in between the coats of lacquer, I'm going to use some mineral oil and a rag and try to pick up the loose sawdust so it doesn't just get set into that lacquer. That lacquer stuff is pretty nasty stuff, and if you use the mineral spirits initially and in between the coats, you'll get all the grit off of it, so you get a nice smooth surface. So anyway, I'm not going to bore you anymore right now, but there'll be other videos upcoming as I continue to clean up my shop and do a little reorganizing and whatnot. But I'll share that with the team. Thanks for watching, and as always, please be safe.